As of Friday, July 24th, 2020, the Thunder Bay District Health Unit mandatory mask regulation comes into force. So here's 4 steps that you need to take to get ready. Number 1, post signage at all public entrances requiring face masks. So this signage is available on the Thunder Bay District Health Unit website for you to download and print. And make sure you get that up at all of your public entrances. Number 2, provide hand sanitizer at all entrance and exit points to the business. That includes employee entrances as well. Number 3, adopt a mask policy for your business. So the Thunder Bay District Health Unit has provided a really great template that covers all of the pieces that you need in your mask policy, and you can download that from their website. That policy must include exemptions for kids under 2, as well as certain children under 5, people who can't wear masks for health or mobility reasons, and people who are already safely behind plexiglass. You must also require your employees that are not behind barriers to wear masks. You must also require your employees to remind customers about the mask requirement if they're not wearing one, or if they remove a mask inappropriately while in your building. And finally, the mask policy outlines the permission for temporary removal of masks for things like exercise, eating and drinking, receiving services to the face, or to receive medical care. So again, a sample policy is available. It's a Word formatted document, so you can go in and edit it for your own use and then adopt that policy for your business. Very important. The final step is to train and empower your staff on your mask policy and how to deal with customers in implementing the mask policy in your business. So I think it's important to make sure that you understand that this mandatory mask requirement should be considered as a means to educate individuals on mask and face covering use in public spaces, and that businesses are not required by the Thunder Bay District Health Unit regulation to enforce mask use by patrons. You don't have to tell folks that they can't come into your business if they're not wearing a mask. You're simply required to post the signage, remind them that there is a mandatory mask directive by the health unit, but you are not required to enforce that, telling them they have to leave, that sort of thing. If you have questions about this directive, we are planning a lunch and learn session with the medical officer of health and her team to give you a chance to ask some questions. So please stay tuned, as we will be providing information on this session as soon as we can get an appropriate date. One final note, as business owners, please know that you and your employees will play a vital role in raising public awareness of the importance of mask and face covering use, and that will help us to keep local businesses open and keep COVID-19 cases to a minimum. So let's all mask up, Thunder Bay. We can do this. Thank you.